Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop YouTube TV asking who's watching, like as you can see in this example. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically there used to be a setting to turn it off. So on older versions of the YouTube TV app, on devices like Roku, Apple TV, etc., they had a toggle on the who's watching screen under the settings that let you disable the prompt if you're only using one account. Now you'd open that screen and find a setting, turn off ask who's watching option. Selecting it kept the app from asking next time. Also lately that setting seems to be disappearing depending where you're watching from. So many users report that on newer versions, especially on Android TV and Google TV and even some smart TVs, that toggle is gone and can't be found anywhere. They also say people can only see the sign out or account section with no way to turn that screen off permanently. So there are some things we can try. So there are a few, and these results can vary by device. So the first thing we can try is look for the setting directly on the who's watching screen. On some devices, if you press down scroll, it may show a setting or options item where you can disable the prompt. Next thing is remove all but one profile. So if there's only one profile in the TV app, some older versions skip asking once you choose it once, though. Next thing is sign out and sign back in after turning off the settings. So if it appears on some TVs, there's a hidden family prompt toggle under the family settings that you can turn off and then re-log in. Next fix is to re-link the app with the phone. So many users have reported that using the code link method, your phone app linking to the TV app stop the repeated prompts for a time. And now the last fix we can try is update or reinstall the app. So occasionally app updates reintroduce the disable option or fix buggy behavior. Now if the app no longer has a setting, so if your version simply doesn't have a toggle anymore, there may be no official way to stop that screen from appearing every launch. This is becoming more common as YouTube updates the interface. Now many users have said that they wish there was a way to control the skip, but they just simply can't find it by scrolling on some Reddit threads earlier.